What's new in UCMDB 10? Agent-Based Discovery. Motivation and objective. Motivation. Before UCMDB 10, the Dataflow Probe's discovery was based on agentless capabilities only. It relied on well-known protocols such as SSH, Telnet, SNMP, WMI, and HPCMD. The benefits of the agentless discovery are obvious. It requires neither installing any additional software nor deploying, maintaining, or updating agents on remote machines. Objective. Provide a complete discovery suite which is based on both agentless and agent-based capabilities. There are a number of use cases in which agent-based discovery is more appropriate. Solution. Universal Discovery Agent-Based Protocol. This solution is highly appropriate for discovering dynamic client-based environments, useful when other agentless protocols are not acceptable, does not require managing e-credentials for logging into the remote machines. The communication between the UD Dataflow Probe and the UD agent is based on HTTP over SSL communication, is available on Windows, AIX, Linux, Solaris, HPUX, and Mac OS X, can use one of two TCP IP ports for communication, acts as an additional shell protocol that is fully supported by the Universal Discovery content. Any job that depends on the SSH HPCMDB protocol can now discover information using the UD protocol. Enables additional functionality, capturing software utilization by end users and call home, which notifies the Dataflow Probe when a device becomes available. We will now demonstrate agent-based discovery with a short video. In the video, you will see how to configure the TCP IP port to be used for communications with Universal Discovery agents, install Universal Discovery agents on remote devices automatically, get the host connection by shell job to automatically detect UD agents installed on remote devices, and perform discovery of remote devices using the UD agent. First, let's configure the Universal Discovery credential. You configure the Universal Discovery credential in the Dataflow Probe Setup tab under the Credentials tree. In the Universal Discovery Agent Protocol Parameters dialog box, specify a display label for the new credential and configure the port that the Universal Discovery agent should be listening to. This can be 2738 or 7738. Finally, specify a maximum connection timeout. Once the new credential is added into UCMDB, a new unique SSL certificate is generated on the UCMDB server, and a new unique identifier is assigned to the Universal Discovery credential. The certificate is used to ensure secure communication between the Dataflow Probe and the remote Universal Discovery agent. UCMDB 10 introduces the new Universal Discovery Agent Management package. This package enables installing, updating, and uninstalling Universal Discovery agents automatically through the Dataflow probes. Let's look at how the Universal Discovery agent is automatically installed using the Install UD Agent job. First, we must discover remote machines using the Host Connection by Shell job via the SSH or NTCMD protocol. These protocols are necessary as they enable copying the Universal Discovery agent installation files to the remote machine and install these files there. Then we run the Install UD Agent job. After this job has finished running, the UD agent is installed on the remote machine, and the Host Connection by Shell job will automatically recognize that it can connect via Universal Discovery agent to remote machines on which it is installed. Starting from this point, all other jobs that require the SSH or NTCMD protocol for communication will use the Universal Discovery agent instead. For example, the Host Resources and Applications by Shell job will use Universal Discovery agent for communication.